Callie. I'm a lead designer here at Flower Moxie, and I wanted to talk to you about why I cut my stems so short on bouquets. I just made this baby's breath bouquet for a tutorial that you can find on our YouTube channel, but I did cut the stems very short, and I do this because we often recommend reusing bouquets for centerpieces at your reception, and if the shorter your stems are, the more likely they are to sit really comfortably in whatever size centerpiece you're using. So I have a small to medium vase here, and I can just drop this bouquet and it looks fantastic. Looks like I designed it in the centerpiece, and that's what we want to go for. So this would work in a taller centerpiece, a wider centerpiece, and that's because the blooms are so big and the stems are so short. It's really just resting on the rim of this vase, and it's really sturdy, nice and easy to do. I mean, anyone can do it. Your dad, a groomsman, anyone can drop a bouquet in a vase as long as the stems are the right length. So let me know, are you team short stem bouquet or long stem bouquet?